everyone. So in today's video, we will be seeing the chat feature of M365 Copilot. Now, before we begin with the chat, I just wanted to show you the multi-modal feature that Copilot provides. Now, in my previous video, I have already mentioned that Copilot is a multi-modal application. Now, when I say it's a multi-modal application, what exactly does it mean? So if you see here, there is an auto tab present at the top. If I click here, you would be able to see that you have an access to the best in class models, which is the OpenAI models and the Claude models available to you in a single subscription if you have a paid license of M365 Copilot. Now, Microsoft also plans to further expand the list and add few more models, but for now, you get access to these two models. Now, you also have different modes to get a response. The first one is an auto mode where you leave on Copilot which model to choose from. So, based on your prompt, the model will be chosen and you will get the response. Now, quick response comes in very handy if you have to ask or get an answer real quick. It's not that complicated and it's a very quick answer, a very quick response that you're looking for. Now, there comes the think deeper option. So you choose this option when you're looking for a very detailed answer. So think deeper is going to think like a human and give you a very consolidated and structured output. So this is why the think deeper option is. Okay, coming back to our chat feature. So this is how the prompt box looks like. Now what I'll do is I'll give it a prompt and see the response, and we will see what all we can do with the response that we have. So I've given it a prompt, summarize my email, chat, channel messages, create a table for the pending task, and I have and sort them by the priority. Now let's just wait to get a response. Okay, now, so I got the output from Copilot. So my question was summarize my email, chat, and channel messages, create a table. And if you see the output, it has actually given me all the tasks that are pending on me, and it has created a very nice structured table sorted by priority so that I know what are the items that I need to pay an attention to. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do from the output that you have got. Now, the first thing is that you can schedule this as a prompt. Now, if let's say you want to catch up on the things that has been going around when you were oof, you can schedule this prompt. That prompt will be running on a schedule basis, and maybe you can choose where exactly what you want an answer to come. Now, if I click on the schedule prompt, I would be able to put a start date, end date, and if I want, I can receive an email when the responses are ready. So based on this particular schedule, this prompt will run and the output will be sent to you over an email. So this is one thing that you can do. Now, of course, if you want, you can export the result that you have got from Copilot into Word. Now there is another feature which is called edit in pages. If you want, you can create a page out of the response that you have got. Let's say I do add to a new page. Now the response will be added to a new page. Now let's say I want to collaborate with somebody from my organization. Now let's say what I can do is I can mention my colleague here. Priya Menon, and if I click here, I will get an option to share and notify my colleague. So you can basically have a conversation with the Copilot, or you can schedule a prompt, or you can have a edit and page feature available to you so that you can collaborate with your colleagues within your organization. So it comes very handy when you are working on a project with somebody and you get a very nice response from Copilot, and you actually want to share it with your colleague or maybe collaborate together. So this feature comes very handy. So now, there is one more very interesting thing that you can do directly in the Copilot chat. You can create an interactive app directly using a prompt in the chat option of the Copilot. For example, I have given this prompt, create an interactive app which allow user to select the city they are in, and it shows the weather of that city as well as the place where they can have a good meal within the city. So it's a very simple prompt that I have given, and if you would see the response, it has already created a interactive page for me. Now let this page load, and you will see how it looks like. So it has created an interactive page in the React application. Now if I click on this preview, I would be able to see how exactly the application would look like. So this is how the application looks like, where I can choose my city, let's say Bangalore, and it is going to show me the temperature of Bangalore, and all the other things. What are the places that I can explore in Bengaluru? Like it has given me an options like MTR, Toy, Truffle, and etc. And if you want, this is an interactive page that we got from Copilot. If you want, you can create an app out of it. So if I click this option, it is going to create an app in Power Apps and you can host it. So it's a very cool feature that we have in M365 Copilot. And I think that is it for this particular video. In the next video, we will be exploring some more features of M365 Copilot in a lot more detail. So stay tuned and see you in the next vlog.